What if one filmmaker with no crew, no studio, and no budget made an entire sci-fi movie alone using AI? She started in a tiny apartment and ended up premiering her film at a major festival. This filmmaker didn't hire a crew. She hired artificial intelligence.
She was out of options. No budget, no crew. Just a dream too big to exist. Maya stared at her impossible sci-fi script. Mars, terraforming, survival. Then one prompt changed everything. An AI replied, not with limits, but with a new way forward. What if she didn't have to write alone? Maya began a strange collaboration with something that never sleeps. She fed it ideas. It gave her possibilities. Scenes evolved, dialogue sharpened, and slowly, a rough idea became a living, breathing story. Now it was time to make it real. Page by page, her story transformed into a professional script. Perfect formatting, visual direction, sharper dialogue. It still felt like her voice, but stronger, like she finally unlocked her full potential. Mars was no longer in her head. It was right in front of her. Rust-red skies, broken domes, silent loneliness. Every prompt painted a new world, and suddenly, her imagination had a face. But how do you show a film that doesn't exist? You build it before it's real. Maya turned still images into moving moments. An animatic, raw, imperfect, but powerful. For the first time, people could see her vision. No studio backed her, so she turned to the world. Posters, trailers, campaign pages, all generated, optimized, targeted. The response? Unexpected. People believed. And just like that, strangers funded her impossible dream. No actors, no auditions, no limits. Maya designed her characters from scratch. Faces, emotions, identities. Then gave them voices. Real, human, expressive. They weren't hired. They were created. And somehow, they felt alive. No sets, no locations. Just a computer. An infinite possibility. Mountains formed. Colonies rose. Alien landscapes stretched endlessly. A whole planet, built from prompts. Maya wasn't just directing anymore. She was creating worlds. She stepped into every role, every movement, every emotion, every breath. The AI translated her performance into digital life. One person became many, and through that transformation, the characters gained a soul. No cameras, no lights, no crew. Just a digital universe waiting to be captured. Maya placed shots, framed moments, moved through scenes like a director inside a dream. Every angle, exactly as she imagined. Total control, total freedom. The visuals were done, but something was missing. Feeling. She described emotions, not notes, and music emerged. A score born from mood, tension, and story, not composed by hand, but deeply human. Now came perfection. Colors adjusted to match Mars' harsh reality. Details sharpened, mistakes erased, even missing pieces, generated instantly. What once required teams now happened with a few commands. She hit play, and for the first time, saw it all together. A full film, her film. She studied reactions, predicted emotions, refined every second. This wasn't just editing, it was shaping how people would feel. One story, many languages. Her character spoke to the world, perfectly synced, emotionally intact. Different cultures, same impact. AI didn't just distribute her film, it made it universal. The lights dimmed, the film began, silence, then applause. Echoes of Mars wasn't just a movie, it was proof that one idea, one person with the right tools can change everything.